Welcome to our channel, Mind Mentor. In this video we will learn about central nervous system. The central nervous system, CNS, is a crucial component of the human nervous system, responsible for processing and integrating sensory information, coordinating voluntary and involuntary actions, and maintaining overall homeostasis in the body. It consists of the brain and the spinal cord, and together, they play a fundamental role in controlling virtually all bodily functions. Here's a detailed overview of the central nervous system. The brain. The brain is the most complex and vital part of the CNS. It's protected by the skull and contains billions of neurons, nerve cells, and even more glial cells, supporting cells. The brain can be divided into several regions, each with specific functions. 1. Cerebrum, the largest part of the brain. The cerebrum is responsible for higher cognitive functions such as thinking, reasoning, memory, and conscious perception. It's divided into two hemispheres, left and right, each further divided into four lobes: frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital. 2. Cerebellum, located at the back of the brain. The cerebellum primarily controls motor coordination, balance, and fine motor skills. 3. Brainstem. This is the lower part of the brain that connects to the spinal cord. It includes the medulla oblongata, pons, and midbrain. The brainstem is responsible for basic life-sustaining functions like breathing, heart rate regulation, and digestion. 4. Diencephalon. This region includes the thalamus, hypothalamus, and pituitary gland. The thalamus acts as a relay station for sensory information. The hypothalamus controls basic physiological functions, and the pituitary gland regulates hormone secretion. 5. Limbic system. The limbic system, located deep within the brain, is involved in emotions, motivation, and memory formation. It includes structures like the amygdala and hippocampus. 6. Basal ganglia. This group of nuclei is involved in motor control and plays a role in the initiation and coordination of movements. The spinal cord. It is a long, thin, tubular structure that runs from the base of the brain down the vertebral column, spine. It is responsible for transmitting signals between the brain and the rest of the body. Sensory information from the body is sent to the brain via the spinal cord, and motor commands from the brain are transmitted to muscles and glands through the spinal cord. The spinal cord is organized into segments, each of which corresponds to a specific region of the body. Nerves entering and exiting the spinal cord at different levels control specific bodily functions and movements. Both the brain and spinal cord are protected by three layers of meninges, membranes. The Dura Mater, Arachnoid Mater, and Pia Mater. Cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, circulates between these layers, providing cushioning and nourishment to the CNS. The CNS is further protected by the bony structures of the skull, for the brain, and the vertebral column, for the spinal cord. Function. The CNS plays a central role in processing sensory information received from the body, integrating it, and generating appropriate responses. It is responsible for conscious thought, emotions, perception, voluntary muscle movement, and maintaining physiological stability, homeostasis. Disorders. Numerous disorders and diseases can affect the CNS, including neurodegenerative diseases, for example, Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Neurological disorders, for example, epilepsy and multiple sclerosis, and traumatic injuries, for example, spinal cord injuries and concussions. In summary, the central nervous system, consisting of the brain and spinal cord, is the control center of the body, regulating and coordinating various bodily functions and processes. It is a complex and highly organized system that plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health and functioning. If you like please like and subscribe our channel Mind Mentor. Thank you.